Welcome to Autobike Pro. Today, we're exploring the refreshed 2025 Suzuki Ignis, a compact crossover that packs personality, efficiency, and practicality into a small footprint. Designed for urban dwellers and young drivers, the Ignis blends city-friendly dimensions with crossover styling in a fun, spirited package. Exterior and styling. The 2025 Ignis adds sharper character lines and bolder design touches to stand out in traffic. It features a unique hexagonal grille, sleek LED headlamps, and chunky wheel arches that give it a rugged crossover feel. Compact dimensions make it effortless to park, while distinct two-tone paint options and stylish alloy wheels bring a youthful edge to its urban design. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Ignis continues with Suzuki's 1.2-liter dual-jet petrol engine, delivering around 82 horsepower and responsive torque for city and highway driving. Paired with a smooth 5-speed manual or a 5-speed AMT, it offers a satisfying blend of affordability, fuel economy, and easy usability, ideal for stop-and-go traffic or weekend adventures alike. Interior and features. Step inside and the Ignis surprises with its modern, user-friendly cabin. The dashboard is clean and intuitive, with a touchscreen infotainment system, on higher trims, digital analog gauges, and functional storage solutions. Seating is spacious for its class, and tall occupants will appreciate the headroom. Comfort-oriented touches like auto climate control and front seat heating elevate its urban appeal. Safety and practicality. Safety is sturdy yet simple, featuring dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and ISOFIX child seat mounts. With its compact size, agile steering, and tight turning radius, the Ignis is highly practical for crowded city environments and narrow lanes. Conclusion. The 2025 Suzuki Ignis delivers a unique combination of compact convenience, crossover styling, and efficient performance. It's an ideal choice for urbanites, young professionals, and anyone seeking a car with personality and purpose. Watch out for Autobike Pro's upcoming test drive reviews. We'll bring you the full experience soon.